right, ready, set, click, and spend. It is Cyber Monday today, and online retailers are gearing up for a busy start to the holiday shopping season. Let's get the retail view from the top from luxury online jeweler Blue Nile. The CEO, Mark Vadon, joins us this morning from the Seattle. And Mark, thanks for being with us today.
Sure. Good morning.
Good morning. You know, people call this Cyber Monday. Is this really the biggest online shopping day of the year, especially for someone who's dealing with some high-end stuff like you do?
Today won't be the biggest day. The biggest day should be around December 17th. But today is when it really starts to ramp up. Today you see a huge increase in volume from normal levels.
Mm-hmm. You know, Mark, when you used to come on, we used to ask you things like, do people really buy diamonds online? We know the answer to that today is yes, they do. So
Fortunately, yes.
I'd like to focus a little bit more about what's happening just with the consumer overall. We've had a lot of people talking about worrying about a slowdown coming. What are you seeing at Blue Nile?
You know, we're not seeing any slowdown. In Q3, we grew by 27%. We guided the street to similar numbers for Q4. At the beginning of the quarter, we saw even stronger growth coming into the fourth quarter than we saw in Q3. And we had a phenomenal weekend starting out the holiday season.
You did. So already people are buying things for the holidays online?
They are. I think ComScore said sales on Friday were up 22% overall for the online sector. We saw growth greater than that number. And,
better than 22%?
Yeah, and this morning looks good too. So, you know, we really won't have a feel for it. We're only in the very first days. We won't have a feel for another week or so to really understand how big the season's going to be. But so far, it looks good. What
are the hot sellers so far? Are you talking about watches? Are you talking about diamonds?
We're seeing a ton of diamonds. You know, engagement is always a huge business for us. And then this weekend, it looked like diamond stud earrings, diamond pendants were very, very strong. The industry is doing a lot of advertising around diamond journey jewelry, which is, you know, kind of a diamond line design, and we're seeing a lot of that happening out there as well.
Mark, how much pressure are you under to offer free shipping?
You know, we've always offered free shipping on every order for the entire history of our business. We recently upgraded that. We're now doing free priority overnight on every single order.
Wow.
Consumers love it. You know, I think more and more the web is a superior shopping experience. You're getting better value, better selection, and now with all the free shipping that goes on, it's just tremendously convenient.
All right, Mark, thank you very much for joining us this morning. We appreciate your time.
Thank you very much.
Still to come on a business day, a first look at